Welcome to ARB Chemistry Series. This is lecture 1.1.1. Here we will understand what is 1 mole. Okay, guys. So let us understand what is a mole. So 1 mole is 602.200.000.000.000.000 items. So that is lot of items. Okay. So similar to 1 dozen, where we have 12 items in a dozen, 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 items. Okay, guys. So I think this is clear to you. What is 1 mole? Okay. Don't worry about this large number. This large number can also be written as 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 items. Okay. So we will now do a simple example to understand this. What is 1 mole? Okay. So let us focus on this example. So it's a very simple example. So if the weight of banana is 100 grams, okay, guys. If the weight of one banana is 100 grams, what will be the weight of 1 dozen bananas? Okay. So one banana is 100 grams. So 1 dozen is basically 12 bananas. 12 bananas will be 12 into 100 equal to 1200 or 1.2 into 10 to the power 3 grams. Okay, guys. Similarly, if the weight of one banana is 100 grams, then what will be the weight of 1 mole bananas? So one banana is 100 grams. 1 mole is how much? 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this many number of bananas will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 100. So this thing is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 25 grams. Okay, guys. So I hope what is 1 mole is clear to you. 1 mole is nothing but just 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 items. Items can be anything. It can be apple, it can be a car, it can be number of atoms, it can be number of molecules, it can be number of anything. Just like 1 dozen is 12 items, 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 items. Okay, guys. So this brings us towards the end of lecture 1.1.1. In the next lecture, we will discuss from where this number came from. Thank you.